Hello, everybody. Today we are talking about personality in order to further reveal of morphology of the neurotic disorders. The first thing I would like to note is that we should never contrast the individual and the social, because personality is always a set of social relations, according to Marx. Therefore, it is quite reasonable to consider that the person's actions outside are an indicator of what is going on in his head. That is, the personality itself is like a moment of action, and accordingly, the beginning of the personality, it's a post-part. The morphology or region of deeds originate inside the personality. Moreover, in order for this or that action to take place, the personality probes reality, comes into contrast with it, and then chooses this or that form of deeds. So, in psychiatry, there is so-called probe theory. Today, we'll consider the first type of pathological, maybe sick personality form, the point of view of the theory. So these are psychasthenics. You will recognize them at once. They're prone to anxiety. Such people are constantly worried and without any apparent reason. What if something happens? What if something happens in the future? The key phrases. Before going out, they may check several times whether they have turned off the lights or the gas. After talking to people, the psychasthenic person goes over and over the dialogue in his head, again, worrying whether he has answered an interlocutor correctly. Often he doubts whether or not to go just before going out. Thus, such a person is prone to the development of the neurosis or impossible constitutions. What is the morphology of his act? Often he doubts whether or not to go. He is unable to go beyond stereotypes, to push the limits, and if circumstances force him to do so, they like to structure reality, to exclude unpredictability. They will create a safe world. The psychasthenics controls his very space, that is the morphology of his actions. In tomorrow's article, we will look at other types of pathological person. Subscribe, like the video, click on the bell not to miss the video, write comments. See you soon, my dear friends.